So now I use this cheap soldering wire and make a bunch of it and place it here, and now I'm going to put a torch on it to make it to melt it properly, and it will set automatically into its place. Okay, so I have this torch here. I will turn it on and I will lock it, and then I will simply put it on the lid. See, started to melt and it will set in its place. There's one problem that the clay will pop a little bit, but it's fine, you know. And now I also have to, can you hold my phone please? And now I also have to poke on it a little bit. I will do it with my tweezer. Can you zoom on it? I try to poke on the positive plate especially, because the most hardest surface to deal with to stick the lead is the positive plate. The negative plate is already a lead, so it's not a problem. Only the positive plate require a bit more attention. Okay, so it's a lot of smoke because of the plastic melting. That's not a problem here. I hope we made a good connection here. See, now we will remove the clay like this and put it on the side. This one also. We have only one desk lamp. Okay, so see, we are able to fix the two plates, and I think the negative plate is not properly gelled here. We can see the groove here, but it's not an issue because it is already a lead, so I will do a second attempt to make it proper, you know. Okay, thanks guys. I hope this video will help you guys.